Pongal is not just a festival, it is a conversation between humans, nature, the sun, the soil, and gratitude itself. The word Pongal comes from the Tamil word meaning to boil over. On the day of the festival, rice, milk, and jaggery are cooked together in a clay pot, and when it overflows, people cheer with joy. This overflowing pot is not just food, it is a symbol. It represents abundance, prosperity, and the hope that life itself will overflow with blessings. Pongal is celebrated in the Tamil month of Thai, when the sun begins its northward journey, a cosmic shift known as Uttarayana. This marks the end of the winter harvest season and the beginning of longer, brighter days. For ancient farmers, this was a moment of deep relief and joy. The crops had ripened, the granaries were full, and survival was secured for another year. At the heart of Pongal is gratitude, especially to the sun god, Surya. In Hindu philosophy, the sun is not just a celestial body. It is the source of all life. Every grain of rice, every fruit, every harvest exists because of sunlight. On Thai Pongal, people offer their first harvest to Surya, acknowledging that human effort alone is never enough without nature's grace. But Pongal does not stop with the sun. The festival unfolds over 4 meaningful days, each honoring a different relationship that sustains life. The first day, Bogi, is about letting go. Old clothes, broken tools, and unused items are discarded or burned, symbolizing the shedding of negativity and stagnation. It is a quiet reminder that renewal begins only when we release what no longer serves us. The second day is Thai Pongal, the heart of the festival. Families wake up early, decorate their homes with vibrant kolams, cook the sacred Pongal dish outdoors, and offer it to the sun. The act of cooking under the open sky reminds us that food is a gift from nature, not something to be taken for granted. The third day, Matu Pongal, is dedicated to cattle, the silent partners of agriculture. Cows and bulls are bathed, decorated, and honored for their role in plowing fields, providing milk and sustaining rural life. In a world that often forgets the hands and lives behind our food, Matu Pongal stands as a powerful reminder of respect for animals and coexistence. The final day, Kanum Pongal, is a celebration of community. Families visit relatives, strengthen bonds, and express gratitude for human relationships. It acknowledges that survival and happiness are never solitary journeys. Beyond rituals and traditions, Pongal carries a profound message. It teaches us to live in rhythm with nature, not in dominance over it. It reminds us that prosperity is not accumulation, but balance. In today's fast-paced world, Pongal quietly asks us to pause, to remember where our food comes from, to respect the earth that feeds us. Pongal is not just a harvest festival, it is a philosophy, one that celebrates life when it flows in harmony.